Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to get home button on iPad. The first thing you need to do is open settings. Once in settings, you are going to select accessibility. After selecting accessibility, you are going to tap on touch. Then at the top you will see assistive touch. You are going to tap on that and you want to toggle it on. After toggling it on, you will see customize top level menu. You can tap on that and you can customize these options. So for example, if you would like to add another option, you could simply tap on plus. Then from here you could select the icon that you want, or you can tap on minus. But to get the home button now, all you'll have to do is tap on the white circle. Then you'll see home. You can simply tap on that and that's it. So tap on the circle, then you'll see home and you can tap on that. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.